Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this scrumptiously delicious apple tart. It is super easy if you guys are familiar with making Guyanese pine tart, then making apple tart is a breeze. And if y'all are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop me a comment. So first we're gonna wash some apples, peel, and we are going to de-seed. Now I'm using Granny Smith and Fuji apples. You can use either both or any apples of your choice. I am going to grate my apple using my food processor here. But I did also remove the blades from the bottom. And I'll show you the texture, what it looks like. So to a pan, you're going to add some butter. After melted, you're going to add the apples and then some brown sugar. You can absolutely use white sugar, all right? Then the spices and the herbs that I'm using here will be in the description box. After it stewed down and look like this right here, you are going to remove and set aside and let it cool. Now you guys already know half of the deliciousness is in any pie or pastry is the crust. So you must get the crust right. Okay, it must be flavorful, tasty, just melt in your mouth and scrumptious. So I'll leave the link to making this, and I will also leave the instructions in the description box on how to make this. Just have a little bit of twist, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So I am going to fold this two ways, the way you make apple turnovers, which is this way right here, using the puff pastry you bought from the store, or you can make it yourself, just like that. Then I am going to brush it with my egg wash, which is 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar. It gives it that rich glossiness on the outside. Then the other way I am going to fold, as I mentioned, is the way we make pine tart. Again, if you guys are familiar with making pine tart, then apple tart is absolute breeze. All right, but it's absolutely delicious, and I do hope you guys make this. It is done. We are going to bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 35 to 47 minutes or until golden brown. And this is what it looks like. That rich glossiness is just absolutely delicious. Thank you guys for spending the time with me today. See you all on the next video. Bye-bye.